actually works. So it's pretty crazy if you ask me, but they've always been making newer and newer mods that. Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to get free money on the Cash App. So as you can see, we got $435 in the Cash App, but look at this, guys. We can add 200. So I'm going to press unlock and it's going to add that money into my account, brotherhood. So let's see what we doing. All right, so it says initializing secure session, adding money. All right, so let's just see if we get our money, guys. Hopefully it works. Bang, it says $200 was added. So let's see if it goes up. And bang, guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you how to get free money on the Cash App, guys. This is super cool. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So this is super insane, bro. So what we need to do first is go to our browser, right? And just navigate to this website. So it's called tweakmod.com. So on this site, just type in Cash App, and as you can see, this is the mod. So go ahead and press install. So before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. This is the last step. We just need to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official App Store, and this should install the free money Cash App mod into our phone. So I'm just going to wait for it to download here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second for this to load. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So we're just gonna let it load up. So yeah, it's coming up right now. So this last step, guys, is very important though, so make sure you do it, because some people don't, and they're dumbos, because like if you don't complete the verification, the mod is not going to install. So as you can see, it says missing files, so we just need to download 2 of these apps. So like Family Island's a game and it says reach level 10, so I could do that. Then there's like Supreme King. I gotta play 3 games, 5 minutes each. Lucky Match, reach level 11. So just do 2 of them, guys. There's a video to watch if you're confused, and then you should get the free Cash App money mod into your phone.